Hello everyone, Minnesota Outdoors here. I haven't posted in a while. I've been kind of sick. I still am a bit sick. I'm guessing you can hear me. I'm trying to be quiet. Because in my room, I have my cat watching bird videos. Let's take a look here. He's like ready to pounce. While you watch this, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos on this channel. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Look at him, he's so in. Let's get a quick little zoom in on him. Zoom in, please, phone. Look at him, he's so into it. I suppose there's a little preview of my room. At the assorted masks. I'm a Vikings fan, so there's that. My calendar. Oh, he looks like he's about ready to pounce. I've seen a lot of videos like this on the internet, but it's cool when your own cat does it. That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, look at him. He's so into it. He's like backing up his legs. He like wants to pounce at the TV. This video in particular goes for 8 hours. Oh my god. He's addicted. What are you doing? Can't keep your eyes off of those birdies, can you? Hi, buddy. Oh, watch him. Watch those birdies. I don't even know what type of bird that is. If you know, comment below. Oh, he's... I don't know how long I should keep this going, or he's gonna pounce on the TV. This is a good thing for your cat. Keeps him entertained. If you ever had the chance to put on one of these videos for your cats, like with the birds or the squirrels, so keep your dog and your cat both really entertained. Just be careful and know that your TV is in a safe place too, so they don't pounce on it. Because I've had close occasions with my dog with squirrel videos on YouTube. How close can we get to him? Wow, he's so addicted. Normally he would walk away right now, but he's too addicted into the video. That's a pretty bird. Oh, like, even these videos are entertaining for humans. Like, it's just kind of cool to watch them. I think I might wrap the video up here. I don't want it to be longer than 5 minutes, but this has been pretty cool. So, you know what's happening next. This has been a video from Minnesota Outdoors, a Minnesota Outdoors production. Stay outdoors, stay well, and, well, can you say it, Kyler? Can you say it? That's the best shot I've ever had of my cat. Yeet!